Hello, world! Pannekoken. It's a 100-year-old recipe my mom used to make back in West Virginia, and I'm going to show you how to make it. First, Pannekoken. You'll need 3 tablespoons of butter, put in a baking dish, and set to 400. I would suggest Pyrex, so let's go do that now. The butter is cold, the dish is cold, the oven is cold. This is crucial. Put the cold dish, the cold butter, and the cold oven together, and then close them. Now turn the oven on to preheat for 400 degrees. This is also crucial. While that preheats, we make the batter. 3/4 cup flour, 3/4 cup milk, 3 eggs, a pinch of salt, mixed together. Let's do that now. 1/4 cup flour. The second 1/4 cup flour, make sure to spill some, wipe it off, no one will notice. Third one. Now we go on to the milk. Use the same cup measurement, don't bother washing it, there's just flour, it ain't gonna hurt you. Milk. More milk. More milk. No, shortened it a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. More milk. Egg. Second egg. Third egg. Oh, didn't crack it hard enough. Third egg. Now, this is a very important step. If I mess this up, my mother will disown me. So I'm going to take this little pinch measurement, very crucial to get this correct, and approach the salt and then throw it away. Yep. Stick your fingers into the salt pinch. That's what you got to do. Sprinkle the salt. If you don't do this, your mother will disown you. Chopsticks. They're easier to clean. I do own a whisk. I refuse to use it. Keep mixing. Keep on mixing. Someone send this in to Uncle Roger because I'm using a chopstick. That should count. Once butter melts, pour into pan, bake for 25 to 30 minutes. This is also a crucial step, and I'll show you the trick to it. Put on a pair of individual finger oven mitts. If you don't have them, I would suggest the grilling aisle. Open the oven, pull out the tray. The individual fingers will help you with this. Arrange the bowl so that you can pour the batter directly into the center of the scalding hot butter. The batter that interacts with the scalding hot butter first will become the outer crust. The batter that is colder and in the middle will become the fluffy interior. This is crucial. Don't mess this up and don't mix it. Put it back into the oven as soon as you're done. Now, in the midst of holding your cell phone with one hand, you're going to pull this out with your other hand in a big pair of oven mitts. So just go ahead and jam your thumb into that hot Pannekoken, get your thumb all in there, and put it over here on some other oven mitts to cool. The best thing to eat Pannekoken with is Fruity Pebbles. No, I'm just joking. Get rid of that. That's garbage. Get that out of here. Real maple syrup, pure maple syrup. That's what you want on your Pannekoken. There you go. Now you could cook up some sausage, maybe some cheese, and sprinkle it into this bowl. Cut it up like a pie, or you could just eat it as is. A friend of mine made a glaze, but really no matter what you do, it's going to be delicious because it's going to be on top of this Pannekoken. And if you want to see more, you just have to make it yourself because I'm hungry and I'm getting ready to eat. So, there's Mom's Pannekoken. Love you, Mom. See you later.